The Champions of the Earth Award is the United Nations' highest environmental honor. And this year, 5 of our laureates are recognized for their cutting-edge work to end plastic pollution.
We need to change the way that we design, use, and reuse plastics.
If this can be shown to be successful in one city, then other cities can be inspired to replicate what we've done.
We're focusing on systemic change, so how to change the rule of the system before it's too late.
The problem of waste plastic pollution is global. There's no one solution. You need to have multiple approaches.
在每一个环节，我们应用可视化技术，能够确保我们的这个海洋输料的原料保障在每一个环节能够被追溯。
Recycling isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card. We simply have to step up at every level of the life cycle. Congratulations to these extraordinary individuals and organizations. Together, let us beat plastic pollution.